Hello guys, this is the part 10 of SQL series and I'll solve all the SQL question which is available on LeetCode, and the number of question is 50. So I have already solved the above these question on an individual video. So today I will be solving average time of process per machine. So let's understand this question first. So we have activity table and it have four column: machine ID, process ID, activity type, and timestamp. So let's understand the question first. There is a factory website that has several machines, each running the same number of process. Write a solution to find the average time each machine takes to complete a process. The time to complete a process is the end timestamp minus the start timestamp. The average time calculated by total time to complete every process on the machine divided by the number of processes that were run. The resulting table should have the machine ID along with the average time as a process time, which should be rounded to 3 decimal places. Result Return the result table in any order. So understand this question guys first. So we have this table, right? And we have three machines ID: 0, 1 and last 2. So for each machine's ID we want the average processing time. So here for machine 0 we have two process. First process is 0 and the second process is 1. We need to find the average. Here you can see for machine ID we have the output. Here we have output table. So how this calculation comes, you can see in this explanation. Under explanation, for machine 0 you can check 1.520 minus 0.71. 1.520 minus 0.712 and added this 4.120 minus 3.140. You can see here 4.120 minus 3.140, and by dividing 2 we can get the average, right? So this is our question. So how we can get this table? So we can write the SQL query to get this table, this output table, by using self join. So let's understand this by the image. So here we have a first table. Here we have a first table, and let's name the table as A, and we want to join same table with the self. So what we want to do? Join, self join. So here is the table. So let's copy and paste this table. So here same table, in other hand we have same table, and I named as B. We want to join on machines ID here and also and here, and also we want and on process ID and a start of first table and end of second table. Let's write the query, and similarly and parallelly I will show the process on here. So select star from activity. Yes, we have activity table, and I named this activity table as A, and we want to join, I want to join same table with the A activity as B on machine ID. A dot machine ID is equal to B dot machine ID, right? So we have same table, and we want to join every records where we found machine ID is equal to machine ID. So for only this condition we have multiple machines ID, right guys? 0 machine ID, 4 zeros here and 4 zeros here, so it's not combined joined properly, so we need to add more condition. And A dot pro process ID is equal to B dot process ID. You can see here guys, so we have only two records in both table, which is same. In table A you can see machine ID is 00 and process ID is also 00. So to connect both table we have two records for every machines and process ID, right? So we need to add more condition where A dot activity 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 type is equal to a start, and B dot activity type is equal to end. So here guys you can see we want to connect those record, these record, this record with these record. You can see the guys, we have same records in both table, we can join at this level. Record of table A and record of table B will be joined like this on these conditions. So let's see what our record look like, whole record. So guys, this is our final table after applying self join. This record comes from table A, and this part this part comes from table B. So here guys we can easily apply the aggregate function easily, because here guys you can see this is our start timestamp and this is end timestamp. So we can easily apply aggregate function on a row level after joining, after doing self join, right guys? So let's complete this query. So now we need to do group by a dot machine id. Yes, so guys only we want only distinct machines IDs. So we have three unique machines ID, you can see here. So for getting the unique machines ID, that's why I write group by machines ID. So now remove the star and write a dot machines ID. So let's run this code first. You can see we will get only three machines ID, 0, 1 and 2 as expected. So for this average time, write a dot, we want to subtract, we need to subtract this from this to get the difference, to get the exact process time. So a dot timestamp, sorry, b dot timestamp minus a dot timestamp. So after doing this we will get the difference, and we want average. So we will get average, and I named this column as process time. So we here is one more, we here is need to add one more function which is round, because here is mentioned which should be rounded to 3 decimal place, right guys? So add one more function round at 3 level. Yeah guys, yes guys, this is our complete code. So let's run this now. Here we go, our code get accepted guys. Let's submit this code. Yes, our code is successfully accepted guys. So thanks for watching this video, and please hit the like button if you like this video, and subscribe my channel Analysis with Ashish.